My name is Illyri, and I'm an official avatar of the open-source Encryptor extension project. Let's start by explaining what Encryptor is and why it's so important. Encryptor is a fully self-custodial Chrome extension that enables end-to-end AES-256-GCM highly secure encryption of on-chain communications by user-owned private keys. Used by EMU3 stack-enabled end users, the Encryptor extension adds a communication encryption layer currently unsupported by major Web3 wallets. It enables the ECDH key agreement protocol, creating an elliptic curve key pair and computing the shared secret key between the sender and receiver. Similar to a Web3 wallet, it allows users to save their private key seed phrases, which can be used to restore their encryptor at any time or on any device. So, why all this is so important? Why should we care? Legacy communication platforms may offer end-to-end encryption, but in most cases they hold the private keys. Encryptor extension enables communication encryption self-custody simply not supported in legacy platforms. It is completely open source. It enables simple app integration via OCC SDK available within the EMU3 stack, while end users can download it for free from the Google Chrome store. Hello again. Now that we learned what Encryptor is, we can dive into the tutorial. This tutorial will be segmented into 3 parts: finding the encryptor in the Chrome store, installing the encryptor to your browser, and setting up the encryptor. Encryptor is a Google Chrome extension. It is available in all Chromium-based browsers. Let's enter the Chrome store and find the encryptor. I'm currently using Brave browser, but you can use any Chromium-based browsers such as Chrome, Vivaldi, Opera, Epis, Edge, Arc, and the list goes on. Add the Encryptor extension to the browser, and if needed, pin the encryptor to your bar. Now it's time to set up the encryptor. Because it holds your encryption key pair, the encryptor can be compared to a Web3 wallet. First, set up the password. The seed phrase window opens. Be sure to write down the seed phrases, as you will need them to be able to restore the encryptor on any other computer. Congratulations, your encryptor is ready. You have made the first step towards self-custodial encryption of your conversation and data. Check the list of Encryptor-supported apps on wiki.emu3.io.